What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, baseball fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com, coming in 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central. One box of Bowman Sterling baseball for you tonight. But first, a bad break drawing for Saturday night's break, giving away a $10 promo code. We'll randomize it 5 times. Here we go. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner is going to be Paul E. And now for tonight's break. We'll do it 5 times. Here we go. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll paste those results against the list of teams in alphabetical order. Alright, good luck everybody. First for the Rangers, Joey Gallo. For the Red Sox, what's the first name here? Eduardo Rodriguez. Red Sox going to Joshua J. For the Pirates, Tyler Glasnow. Pirates going to Justin J. This one numbered 109 out of 150. And for the Braves, Jason Hirsch. Braves going to Ted tonight. Padres, man, these names are really tough to read. Trey Turner. White Sox, Micah Johnson. That one going to Randy. Number 27 out of 150. For the Yankees, Gary Sanchez. Yankees going to 10. And a prospect auto redemption, Derek Hill. Don't know what team he plays for at the top of my head. We'll make sure to include it in the scans. Get it to the right person. For the Phillies, Ken Giles, excuse me, 18 out of 50. Phillies going to Joshua W. For the Nationals, Aaron, what do we have here? Eric Fetty. Nationals going to Paul B. And another one for you, Paul. Lucas Giolito. Red Sox, a Mookie Betts, a rookie auto. This one a super short print, 26 out of 75. Very nice. Congratulations, Joshua J. Indians, Francisco Lindor. Super short print, 10 out of 25. Indians going to Tad. Autograph for the Red Sox, Miguel Kopech. Another one for you, Joshua. For the Giants, Tyler Beede. Giants going to Ted. Rookie auto for the Padres, Young Grievous Salardi. Padres going to John B. Numbered 5 out of 50. Refractor for the Tigers. Throwback of the Bowman's Best Max Scherzer. Going to Paul B. Autograph for the Reds, Alex Blandino. Reds going to Anthony P. Tigers, Drew Hill. Looks like we know who the redemption from before is going to. It'll go to the Tigers. So, Paul, you're getting those two. Congratulations. And autograph for the Orioles. We have here Hunter Harvey. Hunter Harvey. Orioles going to Anthony P. Braves, Christian Betancourt. Reds, Nix Howard. Nicky Howard, excuse me. Reds going to Anthony. Rangers, Jorge Alajero. Rangers going to James N. And we'll finish with a redemption prospect auto, Chase Violet. Don't know that one either. We'll include it in the scans, get it to the right person. That will do it for tonight's breaks. We're back at it tomorrow with some museum football. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.